Hello dear students, myself Bhagwan Sorde from Gokula Education Societies, JDC Bitco English Medium High School, Nasik Road. Welcome back on my YouTube channel, Learn 8 Standard English Textbook. Dear students, let's start second semester syllabus. Today, we're going to learn Unit 3.1, that is the poem The Plate of Gold, which is composed by James Henry Leigh Hunt. The poet James Henry Leigh Hunt, known as Leigh Hunt. He was an English critic, essayist, and poet. In 1816, he made a mark in English literature with the publication of Story of Rimini, which is based on the tragic episode of Francisca the Rimini told in Dante's Inferno. Some of the popular poems of Leigh Hunt are Jenny Kissed Me and A Night Rain in Summer. Now let's learn the poem 3.1, that is The Plate of Gold, which is written by James Henry Leigh Hunt. This is a story told in the form of a poem. The clear message it conveys that those who truly love their fellow beings. Dear students, The Plate of Gold. This poem is very lengthy. If I will read it, you will get bored. So, I am going to explain the poem in story form. Dear students, now let's learn the poem The Plate of Gold in the form of story. One day, a wonderful plate of gold fell in the great temple court in Banaras. On it were written the words, "To him who loves the best, a gift from heaven." Seeing this, the priests made a public statement that all those who thought that they were virtuous enough to claim heaven's gift should assemble at midi each day. The priest would hear all the deeds of mercy done, consider them, and then declare the winner. This news moved as swiftly as light. Soon from every side came nobles, Burmites, scholars, holy men, and all those who were famous for their gracious or splendid deeds. The priests sat together in all seriousness and heard what each one had done and who was the one most suited to receive the gift from heaven. The gift was what was that? That was the plate of gold. For a year, all those who could lay claim to the plate came and went. Finally, after patiently judging the worth of all the claimants, the priest presented the plate to a person who seemed to love human beings the most. This person had distributed all his wealth among the poor during the year. The man, trembling with joy, came forward to take the plate. However, at the first touch of his finger, the plate turned to cheap lead. Everyone was horrified. But when the unfortunate claimants dropped it, clanging to the floor, the gift from heaven once again turned to shining gold. For another year, the priests got together and judged the people who came to claim the gift. Three times it was awarded it to someone, and three times the gold plate turned to lead. It means that God had not accepted the claims of the person. Meanwhile, plenty of poor and beggars from the street lay about near the temple gate. They hoped to inspire love in each claimant who hoped to win the gift. For this would mean money for them, so that they can get the money from the claimants. Every pilgrim who visited the temple praised God and generously gave alms. It means they gave money and food to the beggars in the wish to prove that they were the ones who love the best. However, none of these people who gave turned around to look into the poor and sad eyes of the beggars. A second year had almost passed, but still the plate of gold turned to lead whenever anyone touched it. Then one day, after a long time, a simple peasant farmer came to the temple to pay a promise. He was not aware of this strange competition for the gift of God. As he passed along the line of beggars, shriveled and wrinkled beggars, his soul was moved with pity for them, and tears came to his eyes. Now, near the temple gate, there was a poor, blind beggar who was rejected by everyone. When the farmer saw his blind face and trembling and crippled hands, he could not pass by, but knelt and took both the hand in his. The farmer softly called the beggar his brother and told him to bear his troubles bravely, for God was good. Then he rose and went straight across the court and entered the place where people were arguing angrily with the priests about their deeds of love. The farmer listened sadly for some time. Then he turned away. Something made the priest who held the plate of gold to call him. The farmer came, not understanding the reason behind it. He stretched his hand and took the sacred vessels. What a surprise! It shone with three times its farmer sheen. To the amazement of all the people there, the priest told the peasant farmer to rejoice, for the gift from God was his, for he was the one who loved best. Everyone agreed, and one by one they left. But the farmer knelt down and prayed to God, bowing his head above the golden plate and over his soul, as if it was early morning, streamed the love of God. It was the peasant farmer that God loved the most because he did was truly selfless. In contrast to those of others who might have done some good deeds or charity, but not out of pure love or concern for the society. In this poem, The Plate of Gold, the poet tells us a story with a strong message behind it. The message is that God loves those who love their fellow beings. Stories can be told even in the form of poetry. Such poems are called narrative poems. The poem The Plate of Gold is a narrative poem. Narrative poems do not always follow rhythmic patterns of fixed rhyme scheme. Such poems are written a style called free verse. The poem The Plate of Gold has a divine message for all the readers. The message is God's eyes are looking the deeds of each and every human beings on earth. God's heavenly reward is only for those who truly and sincerely love their fellow brothers and sisters. The poem, The Plate of Gold, tries to convey the message that one cannot be benefited by God unless and until he work hard in life. God only help those who help themselves. The farmer worked hard and hence the plate was converted to gold in this poem. Dear students, thus today we have completed the poem 3.1, that is the blade of gold. Students, hope so you have understood the poem The Plate of Gold. Dear students, complete the question answer from English workshop which is given on textbook page number 59 and 60 in your homework notebook. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.